मान लो यार आपको एक मूवी देखनी, तो आप क्या करोगे? आप जाओगे IMDb पे, या अगर आपके किसी दोस्त ने वो मूवी देख रखी है तो आप उससे पूछोगे अगर कैसी मूवी, क्या मैं अपने टिकट के पैसे जो है वो मान लो 350 रुपीज उसमें इन्वेस्ट करूँ या ना करूँ। ठीक, बेसिकली आप एक अनबाइस्ड रिव्यू के लिए रिलाई करते हो एक कंज्यूमर के ऊपर। तो बेसिकली एक प्रोडक्ट डेवलपर को आप कभी नहीं पूछोगे कि यार वो प्रोडक्ट कैसा है, उसके कंज्यूमर से पूछोगे। सिमिलरली जैसे आप कॉलेज सर्च करते हो या कॉलेज के बारे में कुछ कुछ चीजें देखते हो, तो काफी सारी चीजें हम अज्यूम कर लेते हैं कि उनके वेबसाइट पर जो होती है वही सच है। आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं, हम एक फर्स्ट ईयर के स्टूडेंट के लिए कॉलेज में क्या क्या जानना इंपॉर्टेंट होता है या एडमिशन लेने से पहले क्या क्या जानना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी होता है कॉलेज के बारे में, वो चीजें हम डिस्कस कर रहे होंगे। तो हमारे साथ यार आज होंगी वेरोनिका दी, जो हमारे साथ कॉलेज की बहुत छोटी छोटी डिटेल्स शेयर कर रही होंगी। तो ये डिटेल्स यार काफी ज्यादा अच्छी होंगी उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जो अभी फर्स्ट ईयर में फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में पढ़ रहे होंगे। ठीक है, तो बेसिकली फ्रेशर्स के लिए चीजें बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाती है। क्यों? क्योंकि यार ये जो चीजें होती है वो एक्सपीरियंस के साथ हमें पता चलती है कि कॉलेज में अच्छा ये चीजें भी होती है। ठीक है, तो बेसिकली ये वीडियो देखने के बाद यू विल बी इक्विप्ड विद द इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ द कॉलेज विच हैज बीन एक्सपीरियंस्ड इन द 4 ईयर। ये वीडियो काफी ज्यादा लंबी होगी काफी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए यार, मतलब 1 घंटे के आसपास की ये वीडियो होगी। काफी सारी चीजें हमने इसमें डिस्कस कर रखी है, तो यार ट्राई करो कि ये वीडियो पूरा देखिए। अगर आपके पास पूरा देखने के लिए टाइम नहीं है तो डू कंसिडर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो एट 2x स्पीड पे आप इस चीज को देख सकते हो। अगर आप PSET से ना भी हो तो भी आई रिकमेंड यू टू वॉच दिस वीडियो। रीजन बीइंग कि यार आप अपने कॉलेज में ये सारी चीजें एस्टेब्लिश कर सकते हो अगर आप इस कॉलेज से नहीं हो तो। और आपको अगर कॉलेज का डेवलपमेंट, खुद का डेवलपमेंट करना है तो आप ये चीजें इंक्यूबेट अपने कॉलेज में कर सकते हो। एक और चीज यार, इस वीडियो में काफी सारे ऐसे टर्म्स आपको मिल रहे होंगे जो आपने पहले सुने नहीं होंगे, जो कुछ हैकेथॉन्स के यार नाम हो सकते हैं, कुछ क्लब्स के नाम हो सकते हैं, कुछ शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स हो सकते हैं जो आपको नहीं पता होंगे। तो यार मैंने क्या किया कि सारे शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स के जो लिस्ट है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको दे रखी। इसी के साथ यार एक और चीज होती है, जैसे आप अभी फर्स्ट ईयर में घुस रहे होंगे तो आपको यार काफी सारी चीजें सीखनी है। ठीक है, तो एक रिसोर्स आपको चाहिए होता है जिसमें यार सारी चीजें क्यूरेटेड हो, आपको इधर उधर जाना ना पड़े कि यार एक चीज मैंने यहाँ से सीख ली, दूसरी चीज मैं यहाँ से सीखूं। तो यार ये चीजें आपके साथ ना हो रही हो, इसलिए यार मैंने एक लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे रखी है। वो बेसिकली कोडिंग निंजास की रेफरल लिंक है। तो आप उसके साथ आप उससे क्या कर सकते हैं, आप अगर उससे जाके कोई भी कोर्स एक परचेज करते हैं कोडिंग निंजास पे, फ्लैट 10% ऑफ मिल रहा होगा आपके कोर्स को। कोडिंग निंजास पे आपको यार वेब डेवलपमेंट, एंड्रॉइड डेवलपमेंट, डेटा साइंस, डेटा स्ट्रक्चर एल्गोरिथम्स को, या अगर आपको एक लैंग्वेज भी सीखनी है, ये सारे कोर्सेज आपको मिल रहे होंगे उनकी वेबसाइट पर। तो आप यार डेफिनेटली कोडिंग निंजास, अगर आप एक कोर्स लेना चाहते हो तो डेफिनेटली आप कोडिंग निंजास को प्रेफर कर सकते हो। ठीक है, तो अब हमारे रिव्यू को स्टार्ट कर देते हैं। So let's welcome Veronica Di. Hi Di.
Hello. Hi, Shirish.
I'll be mentioning a very important point that Veronica Di has served as the president of Computer Science India Society, that's CSI student branch at PICT, and is currently serving as the advisory member for the same. तो दी आपने जब मतलब आप यू कम फ्रॉम अ डिप्लोमा बैकग्राउंड, तो जैसे
Right.
आपने आपका डिप्लोमा खत्म किया तो you had a very good percentage, I guess 94 something, 94.13 to be specific. तो what were your
94.1.
thoughts कि मतलब एक बैक ऑफ माइंड होगा कि यार मुझे अच्छा कॉलेज मिल जाएगा, आई डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट कॉलेज एट लीस्ट। तो क्या थे आपके थॉट्स, एक्सपेक्टेशंस क्या थे? और जब आपने PICT ज्वाइन करा तो कॉलेज से आपके एक्सपेक्टेशंस क्या थे?
Firstly, let's come to Kushrovadia Institute. So, being in diploma, my overall experience was very good, you know. So, it is overall growth, technical, non technical, the teaching staff, yeah, the kind of atmosphere that is there, the peers that you have around. So, everyone was very good. So, in the degree college that I'm looking towards, so somewhere the same kind of expectations and maybe a bit more, right? So you want very good teachers and you want good friends. It's your 4 years engineering life. You want it to be good. And very, very important, everybody wants a good placement, right? लोग इंजीनियरिंग की हाईएस्ट पैकेजेस के लिए करते हैं. So having good placements. Now at the same time, after I finished my diploma, I wasn't sure if I actually wanted to sit for placements or higher studies or do an MBA, right? Or even explore opportunities, research or MPSC, UPSC. So there are so many career paths that you have. So having a college that not only emphasizes on one stream, like say like coding, but has a wide opportunity range in front of you where you can prepare for everything, explore everything, and then make a wise choice in your life. So I think the top colleges, PICT, met all of those requirements. Like it has the best placement, it had the best teachers, library facilities, hostels, the overall management, the students that were there were very good. You know, the crowd that you want to be with, extracurriculars, clubs, campus trainings. Then at the same time, it had research, higher studies, MPSC, UPSC support. So it had everything.
Great. So you mentioned about peers. So basically now you are studying with the cream, at least in Pune.
Yes, we can say that.
Great. सर, इससे पहले कि हम डेप्थ में जाए, कुछ अच्छे से एक्सप्लोर करें पीआईसीटी को, जैसे कि क्लब्स हो गया यार, या स्टूडेंट्स क्या फील करते हैं कॉलेज के बारे में, हर एक चीज के बारे में, हर एक एस्पेक्ट के बारे में, इससे पहले मैं आपको कुछ एडमिशन वेज के बारे में बताना चाहता हूँ, और कुछ जनरल स्टफ यार, कुछ रैंकिंग, एस्टेब्लिशमेंट डेट वगैरह वगैरह, जो बेसिकली कुछ मटेरियलिस्टिक चीजें होती है और कुछ इंफॉर्मेटिव चीजें होती है जो वेबसाइट पे आपको आसानी से मिल रही होंगी. ठीक है. तो basically PICT was ranked in the rank bracket of 201 to 250 by NIRF in the year 2020, and it was established in 1983. ठीक है, तो काफी पुराना कॉलेज है, काफी एक अच्छी सी हिस्ट्री होल्ड करता है ये कॉलेज. और अगर हम बात करें इसके कैंपस साइज की, तो इट इज 5 एकर्स. इसके बारे में हम आगे बात कर रहे होंगे. नहीं, फिर टॉक अबाउट यार कनेक्टिविटी. तो अगर आप पुणे इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट से कॉलेज की तरफ आ रहे हो, तो बेसिकली इट इज अराउंड अप्रोक्सीमेटली 20 किलोमीटर्स. बाय रेल फ्रॉम पुणे रेलवे स्टेशन इट इज 13 किलोमीटर्स. एंड अगर आप जो मेन बस स्टैंड है, शिवाजी नगर बस स्टैंड, उससे अराउंड 10.5 किलोमीटर्स दूर है. ठीक है. अगर हम बात करें एनुअल फीस की, बेसिकली ये काफी इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर बन जाता है जब आप एक अच्छा इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज चूज कर रहे हो, कि आपका जो रिटर्न ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट है वो काफी सही होना चाहिए. तो इसके हिसाब से अगर हम फीस देखें, तो फॉर ओपन कैटेगरी इन पुणे इट इज 96,500 पर एनम, एंड द हॉस्टल चार्जेस आर नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन इट. अगर आप हॉस्टल चार्जेस देखना चाहते हो, तो यार आपके सामने स्क्रीन पर एक चार्ट आ रहा होगा. तो बेसिकली they offer two wings. One is the A wing, B is the second is the B wing, and B wing is a relatively new building, तो उसके थोड़े से जो accommodation charges होंगे यार वो higher side पे. ठीक है. A wing offers a 2-seater accommodation, उसका चार्जेस होता है 1,10,000 पर annum, और सेमी सीटर accommodation एक होता है A wing में, तो बेसिकली उसका 1 लाख पर annum चार्ज होता है. बी विंग में भी 2-सीटर अकोमोडेशन होता है 1,20,000 पर एनम, 10,000 ग्रेटर देन द ए विंग 2-सीटर वाला. ठीक है. इसके बाद एक रिफंडेबल डिपॉजिट आपको पे करना पड़ेगा, 3,000 रुपीज का सिक्योरिटी डिपॉजिट होता है वो. ठीक है. एक और बात यार, जो मैंने इनके वेबसाइट पे नोटिस करी, कि इनका जो हॉस्टल अकोमोडेशन है यार, वो 4th ईयर स्टूडेंट्स के लिए नहीं है. तो ये चीज हम वेरोनिका दी से क्लैरिफाई कर रहे होंगे, तो ये सही है या गलत है?
True.
Okay,
Fourth
great.
years, mostly they shift to outside college hostels, or by
Mhm.
the time they are fourth year. See, there are two reasons behind it. One is we want the FEs and the juniors to feel more protected and more safe inside the campus. And secondly, when you come to fourth year, you know, there are multiple internship opportunities that come up, right? So placements are going on, internships are going on. So most of the bees are maybe not in the vicinity of the campus, right? So अगर किसी का internship लगा है, people even reallocate to different places, not only in Pune but outside Pune. So they usually prefer staying there in the, you know, vicinity of their workplace.
Mhm.
So
Right.
both ways, that is how things work.
तो बेसिकली यार इससे एक पॉइंट क्लियर हो जाता है कि कॉलेज में इंटर्नशिप और प्लेसमेंट का सीन काफी सही है। बहुत सारे जो बीज होते हैं उनको प्लेसमेंट अच्छी मिल जाती है, वो कॉलेज में नहीं रहते।
और
ठीक है।
internships be, I mean, it starts from third year only, internships,
हम्म
and
हम्म
by the time you reach fourth year, everybody is very busy with internships.
या ओके। अगर हम बात करें यार स्ट्रीम्स ऑफर्ड की, तो फिर से आपकी स्क्रीन पर एक चार्ट आ रहा होगा। कंप्यूटर साइंस, कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग टू बी स्पेसिफिक, ईएनटीसी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड टेलीकम्युनिकेशन, एंड आईटी इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, ये 3 स्ट्रीम्स कॉलेज ऑफर करता है। अगर हम कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग का देखें तो 240 इनका सैंक्शनड इनटेक है और आईटी का 180 है। और इनका जो कट ऑफ है उसका एक ग्रिड आपके सामने आ रहा होगा, आई वोंट बी एलोबोरेटिंग ऑन इट, वो आप देख सकते हो वीडियो पॉज करके। ठीक है, तो इसके बाद हम रिव्यू पे आ जाते हैं। जैसे हमने यार अभी देखा कि जो कैंपस साइज है वो बहुत छोटा है। ठीक है, तो एक क्वेश्चन है या एक टर्म है यार, मैंने एक वेबसाइट पे टर्म पढ़ी कि पीपल से इट इज अ बिग हार्ट इनसाइड अ स्मॉल रिब केज। तो व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दिस?
Yeah, indeed, a big heart. So see, everybody says campus chota hai, but I never experienced that in my life. See, I'll tell you, I was a DSE student, and then PICT was very far from my place, so I shifted there. I used to, live in a room outside college, but my college was my entire world. ऐसा it's like आप gate के अंदर जाओ, morning you enter, and night you leave, and everything is inside college. Reading hall hai, canteen hai, extracurricular. There are so many seminar halls. Each and every club has their own rooms. Okay, every department has a library. There's a big reading hall, a big library, and it has everything. So, what I would rather say, it is a well planned and well structured campus, right? Uh, so, usually campuses that are very big, right? एंड जो आप लोग बड़े कैंपसेस बोलते हो एंड नॉट छोटे कैंपसेस, there's a lot of unwanted space, or maybe there's a lot of walking distance, or there's gardens surrounding, and there's a lot of space between the buildings and premises, so maybe that is how it increases the acres and the space around. But here in PICT, even though it's a small campus, I don't think we are missing out on anything, right? We have indoor games, we have outdoor games, we have a basketball court, and a volleyball also happens there, right? So everything, like from sports to studies to canteen, to a refreshment circle wherein we can meet, it has everything.
ग्रेट। यार दी ने एक बात मेंशन करी जो आई वांट टू हाईलाइट हियर, कि कैंपस छोटा है, शी अग्रीज, बट उसमें सब कुछ है और ऐसा कुछ लगा नहीं कि एक कैंपस छोटा है। ठीक है,
Right.
तो यार मैं यहाँ पे जो पॉइंट स्पेसिफाई करना चाहता हूँ कि हमने अभी जैसे देखा कि NIRF रैंकिंग जो है वो 201 से 250 के बीच में। यार बहुत सारे लोगों का ये कहना हो कि पुणे में एक और कॉलेज है VIT जिसका यार 164 रैंक है। तो ये क्यों है? और PICT के प्लेसमेंट्स तो VIT से अच्छे हैं। तो यार जो कैंपस एरिया का जो एक फैक्टर होता है वो भी NIRF में कैलकुलेट किया जाता है, कंसिडर किया जाता है। तो इससे थोड़ी सी रैंकिंग हमारी इफेक्ट हो जाती है। ठीक है,
True.
अब यार नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारे पास जो है वो, ब्रीफ अस अबाउट सम टेक्निकल एंड नॉन टेक्निकल क्लब्स इन PICT, और ये भी बताओ कि एक अगर फ्रेशर जैसे अभी आ रहा है कॉलेज, फर्स्ट ईयर जो आने वाले, तो हाउ कैन दे अप्रोच द क्लब्स, उनके लिए कितना बेनिफिशियल होगा टू जॉइन द
Acha.
क्लब्स?
Nice. Great. So let's go to the first question. How many clubs are there? I would say many. Okay. Engineering colleges may, the main culture which is prevalent is the club culture, right? So
Yeah.
list few in PICT when we talk about the technical club. Okay. We have CSI student chapter, we have IEEE student chapter, ACM student chapter, there's Google Developer Circle, there's Robotics Society, then there's recently launched Game Development Club, many coding ninjas का भी है. So coding ke related, there will be many clubs, but there are three main technical societies like IEEE, ACM, and CSI who have their student chapters, right? When it comes to cybersecurity, there might be a community. When it comes to automation, okay, recently a community was launched wherein they were making some cars. Electric vehicle was also launched. So when it comes to special interest, right, so special interest groups also turn into clubs apart from the three dominant clubs that I spoke about. Then when we talk about non-technical, the first thing that comes into mind is the EDC cell, Entrepreneurship Development Cell. Then apart from that, you have MUN, you have TEDx. MUN is Model United Nations, the ultimate thing for MUN setup. Then TEDx ho gaya. Corporate Management Club was recently launched this year. Very, very beautiful club for people like me, who are good at management, also good at coding, but we want job profiles of product management, operations, and not typical software developer profiles. Then there's DepSoc, there's Pictorial. So Pictorial and Art Circle have been again very big non-technical clubs if we talk about in PICT, right? So Art Circle takes part in all of the their current the dramatics, music, art, dance, all of those activities. Pictorial is mostly inclined towards the creative side, right? So they have competitions like Manthan, then Amche Bappa. So the creative side, the artistic competitions like painting, oratory skills, photography competitions, all of those. Then there's NSS club, right? A
Mhm.
must. And then there's sports club. In sports, you have everything. You have cricket. As I said, you have indoor games. The indoor mein you have table tennis, carom, chess. Outdoor games mein I spoke about cricket. Then there's volleyball. There's basketball, and I think the football we have. So the list goes on as far as the sports circle is considered. Apart from the clubs, the teachers have their own women empowerment cell, right? And other activities, the social. So every
Mhm.
club does certain part of social activity, but PICT also in general they carry. There's PICT has this concept on industry on campus,
Mhm.
IOC, in which they give technical projects to students. Okay, this happens on the faculty level and not on the club level. So all of
Mhm.
those activities are also carried out. Then PICT also organizes faculty development programs. Okay, those are called FDCs and FDPs, right? So these are open to students also. So training not only for teachers but also to students. So either way, on PICT level, okay, the staff and management organizing events at the same time, all of these clubs organizing event. So too many opportunities, a lot of area to explore that people get. Also, there's an MPSC, UPSC support club. That
Mhm.
training and those sessions also happen. There's a lot of support from alumni also. So recently, the departments itself they started training for competitive coding. There's Pankaj Gandhi Academy which comes in for aptitude training and all. So a lot many trainings, guest sessions, alumni come in. They come in to help for this higher studies also. So the Alumni Association of PICT gets involved when higher studies sessions are conducted.
हम्म। सो बेसिकली
Yes.
यार जो भी फर्स्ट ईयर में जाने वाले तो इतने सारे क्लब्स आपको अप्रोच करने वाले तो बी रेडी
हाँ,
फॉर दिस।
correct. And Shirish ने question पूछा था, how can the juniors approach the club? I would say is उनकी ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. Okay, so FEs are welcomed with open arms. ऐसा होता है. Okay, we are like this. So I have been the president, so I know we आप लोग के एक महीने पहले, okay, before FEs even come in and even before their lists are out and everything, we start planning. Every club is going to target FEs. Okay,
या
so clubs are going to come running behind the FEs and they will be so confused कि क्या क्या हो रहा है इतना. So it's like they get this buffet ready in front of them. सब कुछ है,
राइट।
सब कुछ है. So you will be approached, and anyway, you have your seniors, right? Up
Right.
second year ke abhi, if you get into touch, third year you get into touch, so they are also very much open, and they tell you if you don't know, like now suppose if somebody does not know automation ka club hai, iska club
Hmm.
hai, so that is definitely told to them. Be approachable.
Nice. Yeah. तो बेसिकली आपकी जो कनेक्टिविटी है इस चीज से बहुत ज्यादा इम्प्रूव हो रही होगी. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज specifically for the CSIT students, how is the coding culture carried out in PICT?
Okay.
And does it include some kind of training, some kind of certification from the college itself?
Right. So few of these I've also told in the previous answer, but it is, I would say it's not only for CSIT, it's even
Mhm,
for ENTC. Okay, so there is no division as such in PICT कि CSIT का एक group है, ENTC का एक अलग group है. In fact, few of the best coders are also ENTC students, right?
mhm,
And when we talk about trainings, there are too many. Okay, um, PICT people सिर्फ कॉम्पिटिटिव ही करते हैं, ऐसा है. नो, और rather
right,
to generalize it, अगर even if they do 10 things, if you take a
mhm,
survey of PICT students, say 1000 students, say you take a survey,
mhm,
almost 900 of them, if apart from 10 things that they do, one thing that they do is competitive coding by default, right?
nice.
So firstly we start with the department level or the institute level trainings that are there, as I said, right?
Mhm,
So all departments, not only computer department. So computer department, since I am in CS, I can tell you we recently had this competitive programming training sessions. So we have
mhm,
trainings on every Saturday, Sunday. Our seniors were called, placed in Microsoft, Google, and who are top level competitive coders. Phone pay ke log aa gaye. So,
mhm,
coordination. All of these seniors come in. They take various sessions. There's a planned curriculum, and we follow the curriculum. Then there are discussion sessions, brainstorming sessions. This happens on
mhm,
the department level. Then for people who are not good at coding, right?
mhm.
There are special classes. You can say these
Oh,
are
great.
uh, mentor mentee training programs. Now what teachers do for this is either they assign a badge to a particular senior. That senior can be a third year or a fourth year or a pass out person, right? So say
Mhm,
20 people, I would not say weak, but who are not so good at coding, okay, or who have not explored coding, so unke liye there's a separate training that goes on, right?
mhm,
Separate mentorings, separate sessions are remedial sessions are conducted for them. So remedial classes is the word that is used there. Then
okay.
apart from the department level of activities for training, when it placements start, say for T is when the placements begin, at that
Mhm,
point there's a separate training that is kept. So this time we had the PGA training, Pankaj Gandhi Academy training. Now in that they start from basics. They go to aptitude, they go to oops, they go to Java concepts. Python अभी नया आया है नए syllabus में, Python सिखाएंगे. Then they go to CN, कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स हो गया, DBMS हो गया. Then if OS operating systems के कुछ concepts चाहिए, so they start, so this course it mostly went on to 4 to 5 months, right? Which is
mhm,
every day 2 hours training, every day
mhm,
two extensive training of 2 hours. कि even if from first year you haven't studied anything, कुछ भी अगर आपने ना किया हो, ये 5-6 महीने में आप प्लेसमेंट से पहले, ओके, बिफोर
mhm,
योर प्लेसमेंट एक्चुअली स्टार्ट, दिस 6 months of training prepares you for everything from scratch. When we talk about coding culture, it is not only what PICT students do similar to the others, but also what we do different, right? So
mhm,
FDP is on cybersecurity, advanced level deep learning, machine learning, computer vision, IoT related training, all the advanced topics in the industry, right? Which people want to study, and then some might go on Coursera, explore it. Udemy पे courses कर लिए, external certifications people do. But PICT on all of these advanced level topics, they have their own trainings, and these are certified trainings. Now also the above, before this, all of the trainings that I mentioned, no, all of them are also certified trainings. the
mhm,
the Pankaj Gandhi Academy, or the competitive, all of those you get certificate from PICT. So faculty development programs are very important. So on the advanced level, right? So it's like a faculty development. So on the faculty level, still students can also attend that, and this is what PICT allows. But coming to the main clubs, which is CSI, IEEE, and ACM, so they mostly have SIGs. Clubs also conduct SIGs. In these SIGs, there are CPP SIGs, Python SIGs, web development SIGs. So they train you for all of that. And then more emphasis, so we have different subgroups in the club also, right? This is the areas of interest of the people. So initially we have to fill an option form. So I am joining a club, for example, CSI club I'm joining. So when I joined, I had to give in preferences ki I want to work in web development or Flutter, or I want to work into cybersecurity. Now if a strong group of competitive is formed, जो सबसे बड़ा group होता है हर साल, right? So 200 people opt that they want to study competitive. So their ICPC training, GSOC training, okay, cracking Google Summer of Code, all of these things. Right now, ICPC is international coding competitions. HackerRank पे जो quest होते हैं, HackerEarth, Lead Code पे training लो. So all of that goes on consistently throughout the year. Yes, so I feel
मैंने भी यार ये
that's all
चीजें
about
काफी
it.
देखी है कि जो भी मेरे फ्रेंड्स है जो पीएससीटी में अभी कंप्यूटर साइंस आईटी रिस्पेक्टिव ब्रांचेस में, तो बेसिकली दे आर वे अहेड ऑफ अ नॉर्मल कंप्यूटर साइंस स्टूडेंट स्टडिंग इन सम अदर कॉलेज. बेसिकली जो क्लब लेवल पे अभी दी ने बताया ना, तो वो काफी आपके डेवलपमेंट में हेल्प कर देता है. एंड जैसे अभी बताया कि आपने अगर फर्स्ट ईयर से भी नहीं पढ़ा है तो भी कुछ कुछ प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं, मतलब आपकी
Everything.
प्लेसमेंट लगवाई जाएगी, राइट?
That is the college's responsibility.
या इससे पहले हम आगे जाए तो there are some things about the faculty members. Basically, around 50-55% of the faculties are PhD holders, and others mostly are postgrad. So basically, a faculty starts from a postgrad level. So even if you are in the first year, आप assured हो सकते हो कि आप जिसको मतलब जो आपको पढ़ा रहा है, that is a very very certified, very very experienced and a very very knowledgeable person.
And a
ठीक है?
very very senior faculty. Okay,
Yeah.
so you are literally छोटे छोटे kids in front of them. So असं कधीच होणार नाही की मला सगळं येतं. नाही बेटा, गप्प बसायचं.
आणि that is one reason, that might be one reason कि faculties are very very strict in PhD,
Very very
what I have
strict,
heard.
and all of us are very very scared. I would say no. In fact, all of us respect them, and so there are these two concepts, right? Fear and respect. If fear is imposed, you do something which you don't want to do. But in PICT, respect comes by default, okay? Because teachers themselves are so good, they are so understanding, and the way they teach. ओके सी ऐसा होता है श्रीश, इफ सामने वाला इंसान उतने एफर्ट्स नहीं डाल रहा है तो आप उतने एफर्ट्स नहीं डालते हो. सर अगर हमारा एक एक राइट अप 17-18 पेजेस का होता है, ओके एक एक राइट अप हम अगर उतना लिखते हैं, एंड देन अगर बीच में कुछ भी गलत हो जाता है, मैम मार्क्स इट रेड एंड वी हैव टू राइट इट अगेन. Okay, so you can understand the pain behind it, and every practical we have to run on our own, every line of code we write on our own. There is no submission that is accepted without demonstration. No
कुछ
submission
गलत
even
हुआ तो डिबग भी हमें ही करना है.
हाँ एक्झॅक्टली. नाही बट अगर इतकं कष्ट जेव्हा आम्ही करतो ना, आय टेल यू वाय. बिकॉज द टीचर्स पुट इन इक्वल एफर्ट्स. ओके,
Right.
the way they teach, even in fourth year, now I'm in fourth year, they still teach us like kids starting say, okay, from introduction basics definition to advanced level concepts. They will have doubt solving sessions, unit tests se pehle, in sem ke pehle, there will be revision classes, okay, MCQs will be given, certain PPTs, notes, everything will be shared to us. Okay, so PICT is a school. Okay, it doesn't feel only like we are in college. Everything. So the kind of efforts that they also put in are way too much, and that is why when they expect us to put in that extra efforts as compared to other colleges, we do it out of respect because we can see the efforts that they are putting.
Correct. Great. So So the brief us something about the hackathons conducted in PICT or by PICT, and also brief us something about impetus and concept and how does it help a student.
So see, I'll tell you the most prevalent events in PICT. सबसे पहले PICT is having international conference on emerging trends and innovations in ICT. Okay, so the name of the conference is ICEI. Okay, this is going to happen in 2022, and this is a very, very big scale event. Okay, so people usually publish their publications in IEEE, Springer, other big journals, right? So calls for papers. People have been working a lot on this. You can go on PICT LinkedIn and check about this conference, right? So this is a conference on a very, very higher scale with a lot of innovative ideas and unique ideas coming in, right? Then comes impetus and concepts. Now, impetus and concept is for the fourth year students, right? Fourth year is when we have our B projects. So see, PICT itself gives us a platform for recognition for our B projects, right? So it is a healthy competition wherein all the ENTCIT computer, all B projects are placed. It's an exhibition also, so it's a combination of an exhibition as well as a competition, right? So most of us take part. All projects are kept there. Judges come in. Most of them get on-spot internship opportunities. Then internships convert into placement opportunities. The projects get sponsorship wherein they can go and have real-time, execution of that idea. So impetus and concept, a annual event of PICT. इससे पहले the conference that I spoke about, ICEI, is happening this year, right, on a very big scale. Then the third thing, hackathon, right? So hackathons in PICT. So PICT team has been holding a record of 3 consistent years winning the Smart India Hackathon. Right, so we are very proud about it. 3 consistent years we've been winning Smart India Hackathon. Then Singapore India Hackathon, PICT team has been one of the winners there. Then there's Imagine Cup by Microsoft. Then there's Wintathon, so LinkedIn Women's Hackathon. There's GirlScript India Hackathon. So all of these, see, these are international level hackathons, right?
Yeah.
National level is Smart India Hackathon. Then there are various college level hackathons that are there. So students, they usually take part in a lot of hackathons in PICT because they want to have real time development and also want to get recognition for their whatever project work that they are doing, right? Then comes addiction, right? All of the important events in PICT. Addiction is the cultural fest. It is a 3 days event. We will all have everything: the mismatch day, traditional day, then the final main event where it's usually a dance competition between the bees. It is the farewell of bee. So all the bees have a competition. There's singing, there's dancing, there's oratory, everything. Yes. So all of these are the major events of PICT. So before we move ahead, Shirish is doing a wonderful job, and with his beautiful venture that he has of Endeavor exams, he's reaching out to people, to freshers, and to the entire student community, making them aware of various colleges, placement activities. So do support his venture. Click on the subscribes button, like his videos, send a lot of love to him, and just click on the bell icon so that you can keep getting notifications, and stay tuned.
थैंक यू सो मच। अभी भी अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जाके पहले सब्सक्राइब करो, और अभी तक अगर वीडियो देख ही रहे हो तो पसंद आ ही गया होगा, लाइक भी कर दो, ठीक है। अगेन कोडिंग निंजास का जो रेफरल लिंक है वो नीचे पड़ा हुआ है, तो अगर आप उससे करते हो तो 10% फ्लैट ऑफ आपको आपके कोर्स पे मिल रहा होगा, ठीक है। सो द लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ द इंटरव्यू विल कवर 3 थिंग्स: द प्लेसमेंट, internship scene in the college and the research opportunities provided by the college. तो यार दी हमें बताओ कि कॉलेज में रिसर्च का माहौल कैसा होता है, क्योंकि मैंने अच्छे कॉलेज में, इवन आईआईटी बॉम्बे के, मैंने एक स्टूडेंट से सुना है कि दे आर रेस्ट्रिक्टेड टू अ सर्टेन सीजीपीए, कि अगर आपका सीजीपीए 8 से ऊपर है, 8.5 से ऊपर है, तो आप जो आपको कंटिन्यू करना है वो कर सकते हो, रिसर्च जो भी आपको करना है। अगर आपका उससे नीचे है तो यू आर नॉट अलाउड फॉर रिसर्च डूइंग द वर्क। तो हाउ इज इट इन PICT?
Okay. Um, okay, so even if the eighth thing criteria is there, I don't think firstly PICT में ऐसा कुछ है. It is open for all. Almost all students, on a wide range do some form of research. But even if that criteria was there, I would say PICT में उतना difference पड़ेगा नहीं, because all of the university toppers and 10 pointers and the best in the SPPU university, all of the people are in PICT. Again, that is another unique thing about PICT. SPPU के सारे toppers PICT के होते हैं. That I don't know how many years record we have, but a well-known record. Now, coming to research activities, there are a lot many activities, right? So teachers have their own research labs. They have research groups, right? So every year, teachers take in students for research activities. So there's this special timetable में ही added होता है. There's a special session that we have for research activities, and when teachers choose you, they choose you on the basis of your interest, your availability, your willingness, and almost every student is doing some form or the other research. It Mostly it is said that by the time you pass out B from PICT, you must have one research paper. It's like a must have thing, right? Then coming to certain scholarships also, I'll tell you when it comes to research. So there's Richard E. Merwin scholarships, right? So there's a Research E. Merwin Scholar program that is there. Through this, many students get rewarded for their research work that they do. Then IEEE Women in Services Computing Scholarship is also there. This is again for people doing excellent research work. See, all of these scholarships are based purely on research. So you do a research work, you publish your paper, and then you apply for this scholarship. Then if your paper gets selected and the research is of really good quality, that is when you get this scholarship and you become a part of the scholars program. And then once you're into that international crowd, being a part of the scholars program, you help other students.
So that being said, we will come to the internship and placement scene. तो basically PICT में internships कैसे होते हैं? What are some, like, list some big names which offer internship opportunities to PICT candidates. And एक और चीज जो मैंने देखी है, internship में बोल लो या placements में बोल लो, we'll just club both the things. So basically, tell me about placements कैसे होते हैं PICT में और internships कैसे होते हैं. So first we'll go to internships, then placements. जो चीज मैं इंक्लूड करना चाहता हूँ इसमें कि जब मैंने इनका प्लेसमेंट स्टैटिस्टिक्स देखा, तो देयर वर वेरी less number of candidates from ENTC getting placed at the niche companies. ज्यादा जो सिलेक्शन रेशियो था वो CSIT का था. तो इसमें मेरा एक और क्वेश्चन जो ऐड हो जाता है वो होता है कि if a person is getting ENTC at PICT and he is not willing to go for any higher education, वो मतलब पूरा प्लेसमेंट्स पे रिलाई करने वाला है, तो shall, like, should he apply for PICT ENTC या फिर CS किसी और कॉलेज में वो देख सकता है, मतलब एक स्टेप नीचे PICT से, बट ब्रांच उसकी जो चाहिए वही. तो ये तीनों चीजें के बारे में हमें बताइए.
Okay. So let's start with internships and placement, right? So see, so this is a culture, corporate culture, which is newly formed, that people initially want to see how you work before they extend a package. See, initially क्या होता था, if you get an offer from any company, you're on a probation period, right? Or a 6 months internship period wherein you have a different stipend, and then the package, suppose you're placed for 12 LPA package, but initial 6 months you're just getting 25,000, 35,000 स्टाइपेंड, पर आपका 12 LPA बाद में स्टार्ट होगा, right? So initially this was a model which was prevalent, but now what happens is, as per the recent SPPO curriculum जो अभी change हुआ है, third year में internship compulsory है, and then fourth
हाँ,
year placement. So what I would say on a broader range is, जो companies placement के लिए आती है fourth year में, all companies, okay, or most of the companies come into third year for internships.
right.
Okay, so when the common names that I have to tell you: Deutsche Bank, Credit Suisse, Arista, IMOCA, Persistent, Cognizant, TCS, Nice Systems, right? Emerson आ गया, HDFC Bank, all of these companies. Initially what they are doing now is, so this probation or the internship period which was there even after you get placed, that happens in third year now. Okay, so you do an internship, the company sees how you are, and then for those candidates, immediately a PPO is sent. So इस साल
Okay.
जो हमारा हुआ था, the people in third year who got selected for Deutsche Bank internship, in fourth year didn't have to go through the campus recruitment process of Deutsche Bank again, because through their internship only they got the PPO of the same package that the fourth year candidates got. Now,
Okay.
is it necessary कि अगर आप थर्ड ईयर में इंटर्नशिप ना करो तो आप फोर्थ ईयर में उस कंपनी को बैठ नहीं सकते हो? नो. ओके, सो डॉइच बैंक जब थर्ड ईयर में आया था, द कैंडिडेट्स हु डिडंट अप्लाई फॉर द इंटर्नशिप, right, which happens, Nice came, Arista Networks came, so we didn't apply, or maybe whatever other commitments were, we got selected to for some other company before that company came. But fourth year में जब recruitment drives आती है, then we applied, we were allowed for that. But उस केस में क्या हुआ, the people who didn't do already an internship, the probation period for them was kept.
Okay.
Okay, whereas the others had a more assured pre-placement offer because their internship period was already over. So this is how
Okay.
the corporate setup works. Coming to packages, the placement report, I think, Shirish, you can put up, people can study. It's been very, very good. The highest package of PICT this time is been Adobe and 42, 43 LPA. Then coordination and PhonePe being consistent, through on-campus placement. These companies, coordination and PhonePe, coordination having 34, 36 LPA, and PhonePe having 32 LPA, and then many companies follow. Right now, how are placements? There are many opportunities. You have to decide. You have key which company you want to apply for. You want to apply for product based, fintech, service based, or startups. Then once you shortlist your companies, you apply for them. If you are selected, you are blocked. Yes, which is true. At times people feel that we can keep applying for n number of companies, but that is not the case. So that is how shortlisting your companies is very important. 250 companies come to PICT, but can you apply for all 250? No. Right. Say you apply for the first company, which is Deutsche Bank, which is your dream company, and first attempt you get placed. So you are blocked. You cannot apply for the next company that is coming in.
At
So
least for
how
on campus.
yeah, on campus opportunities, right? So how do you beat this kind of a scenario? PICT wants you to stop playing कि जो होगा होगा, देख लेंगे, चल रहा है, 250 कंपनीज है, नहीं, 4 कंपनीज है, 5 कंपनीज है, डिसाइड द पैकेज you want above 15, you want above 20, keep that in mind. You want above 10 lakh, right? Fair enough, right? Students have different targets, they have different coding skills and different technical skills. Keep a
Right.
target. उस target पे 10 companies है, 5 companies है, those 5 companies, and prepare for those 5 companies and accordingly get placed. So this is how the concentrated preparation mechanism is followed in PICT. This guarantees 100% placement. Okay, because you have that fear somewhere that no, you don't have 250 companies you can apply for. Okay, and there is no next chance.
Right.
But now in this case, you will say it will also be unfair, right? That people are not getting enough opportunities. If I am placed on 12 LPA, then I'm blocked, and suddenly a 15 LPA company comes in, I want to apply, but I'm blocked. and
Right.
this is a problem most of us face, most of us. So इस scenario में क्या होता है, there is a concept of dream package. Okay, now the dream package is above 20 LPA. So no matter what, if you have been placed on a 5 LPA company, आप ब्लॉक हो जाते हो. 8 LPA ब्लॉक हो गए, बट आप अनब्लॉक कब होंगे, जब एक 20 LPA above कंपनी आती है.
अच्छा.
Okay, so when 20 LPA above company आती है, everybody is unblocked and everybody can apply. So
Okay.
that is how
So
for
that's
dream companies everybody can apply. But at the same time, concentrated study mechanism is applied so that people make sure that they have a list of companies they are applying to, they have a package in mind, they have a domain, a stream in mind. You know, like आपको quality assurance में जाना है, testing में जाना है, you want to be a proper software SD role में जाना है. So all of that. Now your third question, that ENTC, right? Now I'll tell you, Shirish, I don't think it is the fault of PICT. वो companies के through ही requirement वैसा आता है, because I have also studied a lot many GDs that JDs, job descriptions that come in. तो उनका they keep the criteria CSIT. They don't include ENTC. So देखो, PICT discrimination नहीं कर रहा है. The entire conversation that we've had since the beginning. Training opportunities equally are provided. We have equally good developers in ENTC also. But if the company itself does not keep the criteria that they are open to ENTC students, then we cannot really do anything in that matter, right? So whichever companies allow ENTC students, वो लोग place हो जाते हैं. But if companies don't allow it, we cannot help it, and that is a bigger category of companies. So what happens in this is, in the placement reports that you might have seen, even though on paper you cannot see many ENTC students getting placed in niche companies and coding profiles, but they do get it through off-campus opportunities. So that is how the training helps, you know, the equality that PICT gives, the training that they get all through the academics, that they avail you during the off-campus opportunities. So off-campus उनका placement हो जाता है नीचे companies में, right? But coming to the question कि अगर आपको कोई दूसरा college मिल रहा होगा with CS 18, right? So see, I wouldn't make a general statement, but I would say it all depends on your priorities, right? On the person who's applying and taking admission. See, you nowhere can compare computer and ENTC. ENTC is completely different. The subjects are different. The academics is different. There's circuits, right? All of those hardware related things. So just because you're coming to PICT to get placed, you wouldn't want to take something which you don't like or you don't want to do and then sit and cry about it, right? So subjects are different, curriculum is different, the way of teaching and way of learning is different, right? Because it's completely different. You go through the syllabus, you study everything, there's no connection. ऐसा नहीं है. देखो, अगर ऐसा होता कि कंप्यूटर में 20 सब्जेक्ट्स है, ENTC में 20 सब्जेक्ट है, बट 12 सब्जेक्ट सेम है, नो, बिल्कुल भी नहीं ना. 20 के 20 अलग है, तो हाउ कैन यू कंपेयर बोथ? यू कांट कंपेयर बोथ, राइट? So if you want to do CS, you should do CS. You should not choose any other stream just because you see the college name. At the end of the day, it all depends on what you want and how capable you are. Now, even if you get some other college, which is your next preference, so in that stage, you work more hard, right? So that you get the best campus opportunity of that college. You get best off campus opportunities, right? So making a 4 years compromise is not what would be suggested if somebody doesn't want that subject.
correct. So can I take it as a final statement that if a person is completely interested in CS, wants a placement in computer science or a typical SDA role, he should always opt, or he should always keep the branch one level up in the pecking order, rather than keeping or pushing for a good college?
Yes, they should.
Okay, great. So I guess this was all about PICT. any more points, any more I can say plus points, advantages, or if you feel some negative factors about the college, you can list down right now.
Um, see,
And be
every
honest, very honest, if you are talking
see,
about the negative factors.
no. See, there have been many negative points, as I told you, about the strictness of work, the submissions,
Hmm,
the college hours, the attendance policies, and all of that. But what I would say is every negative balances it with a positive, as I was explaining, because the efforts are two-way. Not only the student, but the management, the teachers are also putting in efforts. So,
right.
to sum it up, I would say PICT prepares you for life. Okay. In fact,
Right.
engineering only prepares you for life, but
Yeah.
PICT, after all, adds its own extra flavor and, icing on the cake. So,
Hmm,
pressure handling, punctuality. It's like if the lecture is of 8 o'clock, you're supposed to be in 7:59. Even if you come 8:01, you have to stand out, right?
hmm,
So
hmm,
punctuality, work life balance, good communication skills, negotiation skills, having presence of mind, the pressure when it comes to placement, you are blocked, so keeping your choices limited and working
hmm.
on those choices, and also having this feeling that your peers are very much competitive. What happens if you are not in a competitive environment, it at times dims the light within, even if you want to do something. Okay.
Right.
For me also, no matter how many achievements I've had, so if a day in PICT feels like, oh God, what have I even done in life? Right?
It's
Listening.
something like opening LinkedIn when you're a fresher, right?
Correct. So,
Yeah.
so this overall, this kind of an environment, I think it motivates you from within.
Hmm.
Okay. It prepares you for life. And that is how we are preparing leaders, right? And not just employees.
It was great having a talk with you about PSAT especially. uh, तो यार जो भी अभी फ्रेशर्स आ रहे होंगे तो उनको अगर ये वीडियो आप पूरा देखते हो एंड तक अभी तक अगर अगर आप हमारे साथ है तो यू माइट हैव gotten to know the details of the college which a fresher in no circumstances can. So basically जो भी एक इनसाइडर जैसे मैंने बोला था कि कॉलेज में हो क्या रहा है एग्जैक्टली exactly, क्या क्या कॉलेज आपको प्रोवाइड करेगा क्योंकि whenever you join a college you are very unaware of the fact कि इतने सारे क्लब्स भी होते हैं। अभी दी ने काफी सारे हैकेथॉन्स के नाम बोले, आपको आधे से ज्यादा पता भी नहीं होंगे, जो अभी अभी आपको पता लग रहे होंगे जैसे आप फर्स्ट ईयर कंप्लीट करते हो। तो बेसिकली ये वीडियो इस इंटेंशन से बनाया गया था कि इवन इफ यू आर नॉट इन पीआईसीटी यू शुड बी नोइंग कि जो टॉप कॉलेजेस होते हैं उनमें क्या हो रहा होता है। ठीक है, तो बेसिकली यू कैन होन योर स्किल्स अकॉर्डिंग टू इट एंड अगर आपके पास इतने अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं भी है, मतलब जैसे दी ने बोला कि पीएससीटी के स्टूडेंट्स तो हो जाते हैं प्लेस, ठीक है, दैट इज अ प्लस पॉइंट इफ यू आर इन पीएससीटी, बट इवन इफ यू आर नॉट इन पीएससीटी एंड वाचिंग दिस वीडियो तो आप कुछ स्किल्स एक्वायर करके अच्छे मतलब जगह पे प्लेस हो सकते हो, या अगर हम रिसर्च वर्क की भी बात करें जिसका एक मतलब जिसको रेफरेंस लेके आप काफी हायर स्टडीज के लिए भी अप्रोच कर सकते हो। सर दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट पीएसीटी। आई होप you have gotten each and every detail, uh, each and every aspect of what we were discussing right now. And thank you very much for being here, for providing the information, the insider information about PICT. And yeah, this was it for the video. We thank Veronica D and say goodbye.
Thank you, Suresh. Thank you so much. And once again, audience, he's doing a wonderful job. Please do like, share, subscribe his videos, and stay
Yep.
tuned with him.
Yeah.
All the very
Thank you so
best,
much.
and all my good wishes to Endeavor exams and to you, Suresh.
Thank you so much, D.
So, signing
तो चलो
off.
यार,
Thank you.
yep. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन टेक केयर, बाय बाय।